Welcome back guys, Crypto for Life channel. Today I would like to show you updates for 4 altcoins. What I posted before, you can go and find all videos on channel. We use just simple one model what you can use totally for free. Just go and watch free educational tutorial videos so you can use it for all tokens after listing. This is a zone of interest, the last zone of interest. After that, it's invalidation of idea. What to do if the idea invalidated? These levels will be relevant, but like resistance. So now it's like support, and this is a zone of fixation profit. And if we dump and invalidate the idea, because here on the listing price, it's just open space, it's just price discovery mode. We can go and add the few zeros, or this token can be delisted. Possible, of course. That's why we work with possibilities. And this is a zone of interest where you can accumulate the token for speculation. Also, guys, million times explained to you on this market. This is a hard mode market now. This cycle is so difficult, just to be honest, even for the guys who here on the market like 10 years or 5 years. No matter what, it's hard mode. It's much more difficult to make money than it was like in zone 20, zone 17, zone 21, just to be honest. So unfortunately, the new users get a pretty bad experience on this crypto market. Yes, just to be honest, zone 21 was easy mode. You can click any token. Everything skyrocket to the moon and you feel like you're a genius. Now all of that genius have no idea what to do because market moved not on that patterns which playing out before. And it's good. It's good because it's great time to learn and to show your skill, of analysis, and make money with the trades. So this is a zone of interest. This is a zone of interest. Last one. Here was a first zone of interest. We stop it here, bounce it, drop it down. So you can always buy with the 4 limit orders, average entry 47. But guys, once again, you have to keep in mind any single token can be delisted, can go to zero, can be scam. That's why we can control only our risk management and money management. So that's it. So MIRA, this is a last zone to buy. Is it okay to buy now? Basically, yes. Is it possible so we dump under 10 cents? Yes. So if you're not ready to invest in any of these tokens in the best zone to buy, just skip it because you're not sure. You don't want to risk your money, but without the risk with zero profit. So this is how the financial market works. So basic on all logic, now it's okay zone to buy. Fixation, 31 cents, now 79. At 63 cents, you fix your initial deposit. All the time, guys, withdraw your initial deposit. After that, with a zero risk, zero stress, it's just a free money from the air, free tokens. You can ride to new all-time high and make money from the air with zero risk. So keep in mind this simple also tip. So congrats everybody who watched the video and not hopping after listing with all of that Moon Boys predictions. Now we landed to the second zone of interest. Now, only now, this is zone of interest where you can start USDCA if you believe in this project. I don't care about MIRA, Open, ZK, Boundless, Hemi. I don't care about this token. Maybe some of that tokens I will trade intraday because my spot position already done. If you still not accumulate any tokens for the spot and you believe in one of these 4 tokens, you can accumulate because it's a great time for buy these tokens based on your risk management. What I mean risk management, you put that amount of money when you're ready to lose. If we, for example, dump on the listing price, nobody can tell you the future. Will we dump or not? Nobody know. Nobody. With the private chats, in WIP group, in premium, all of this stuff, guys, nobody know the future. So we work only with the money management and risk management. Here, 31 cents now current price, 64 you withdraw initial deposit, leave free tokens. A zone of fixation swing trades if you don't want to withdraw initial deposit here, $1.65, $1.77 in new all-time high. Do you believe in new all-time high? Guys, I don't care. Will we hit new all-time high or not? Everything just depends on the market makers. Trump, basically now, macro in the world. fat decision about the rates, and BTC dominance for the altcoins. Do I believe? Yes. I think the altcoins will have all momentum, but build the realistic price targets, guys. Because here, from that zone, the new all-time high, let's say like $3, it's 200% gains. From that dump, it will be like 1,000 for almost 500. Different perspective, different entries, different perspective, vision of the coin. And the people who hop in, they will be not enough. Like, oh, it's just a 200%. No, I need to 10x. And they will wait and stuck in talking. But the guys who take a risk here, they will be in crazy profit, fix a profit, and happy. So that's it. Let's double check with indicator set. Also, guys, highly recommend you, just an educational purpose. Also, go and check the first videos of these tokens so you understand the logic why we are here where we're now. So pretty simple. It's not analysis after the fact. You know, all zones I showed you when we got like one daily candle close. So pretty simple. ADZ in accumulation. Good one, good one. Direction, no data because it's just a fresh new token, not enough data for analysis for this indicator. Market mood, it's still apheria. What does it mean? It means we can drop even lower. 12 time frame, this is accumulation with the warranty. You know, because if we count by body candle, we format the warranty. This week, it was a dump because of Trump. So this is accumulation, so technically it's good. No accumulation on direction indicator on 12 time frame. Market mood still apheria. So yes, we can consolidate longer here. And it's hard to say how long we can consolidate in this range. And of course, keep in mind, we can drop and invalidate the idea, drop under 10 cents. Is it possible? Yes, easily. Here's the accumulation. Based on markets, money power indicator here. This is accumulation. Yesterday we saw some accumulation and we see the bounce. Somebody can say, oh, it's not a big deal, guys. But it's a big deal because we pump it like to 20%. So with this 10x leverage, it could be 200%. Nice one. Nice one. 12 time frame. Here was accumulation money inflow. Here's accumulation money inflow. Nice, nice. But we can drop and close the 50% of this week. Also keep in mind it. Take a look. The trade on. What we saw on trade on. No data on 12 time frame. No data on daily. 4 hour time frame. It's just pure speculation. 4 hour time frame, of course, you can use for intraday. Here's a buy, bounce, recommendation, close position, buy, bounce, buy, small bounce, buy, bounce, recommendation, close position. This was a buy, bounce. But 4 hour time frame is for just speculation, intraday, take profits, guys. 12 time frame, no data, I guess. 4 hour time frame, we landed on the fundamental value. The last line is fundamental value. Now we try hold the line at the buy line, but we can come back and close the 50% of this week. And it can be the 50% of the range between the buy line and the fundamental value. So it's, I would be not surprised if we drop to 24 cents, around 24 cents again in the next few days. If not, the road can be opened straightforward to 55.44, take profit line on a 4 hour time frame and exit line 62.45. So that's it. Now, if you want to take a risk, we are in a good condition to buy for speculation. This case scenario. It's okay to take a risk here, one trade with a stop loss. I wish to see this bounce with another dump by end of this month, right? If not, we can go straight forward to the take profit, maybe retest it and go higher. This is it. Invalidation is here. So guys, once again, just go and check the first video about the MIRA, compare with current price chart. You understand the logic, why exactly we are here. Also, how recommend you track with indicator set. Open. The same story, the same levels, the same model, this absolutely everything total is the same, guys. And totally for free. So this we stop it exactly at the best zone to buy on a BitGet, because on a BitGet it was the lowest listing price, September 8, Monday. Here, imagine the people here hop in at $1.41, screaming we're going to the moon. But after that, nobody believe it because it's happening all the time. People won't believe. So their favorite useless fancy token will dump to 0 or dump 60% or 70%. Nobody want to believe in this stuff, but it's happening all the time. And only now you can start accumulate the token, because if you believe in this token. Here, we stop it. Take a look how the market makers play now. Here, dump, reaction at 86 level by FIB, retest of 78. Nice one, nice one. Can we drop lower? Yes, of course we can come back again inside this block and close the 50% of this week. And if we stop, yes, maybe we get a chance to see the recover move in November. If not, we can go to 0 and drop under even 2 cents and invalidate this idea. And it will be more than fair, you know, because it's a risky market, it's a risky tokens. What you can expect from the internet virtual tokens? Nothing. There's nothing behind of that token. It's just a pure speculation. And if the market makers want to dump under 2 cents, they will do this one because they can. Just simply because they can. It's unregulated market. If even they will dump token to 0 and delist it, zero problem, no regulation. You can of course you can argue, oh, it's a scam. It's an unregulated market, so it's up to you. Only you press the green button buy or red button sell. Only up to you. So now, if you want to accumulate, we around a little bit over than the best zone to buy. Fixation profit is here, guys. Absolutely the same model. Here, $1.66, $1.79. So I will be not surprised if the open dump even under 2 cents. Just to be honest, I will be not surprised. Even the Starknet dump it. So guys, what we can say about open? Risk of course, risk reward. Now it's more than okay. So once again, 33 plan, 67. You withdraw your initial deposit. Simple. So up to you, buy or not. Here is a buy signal rejection at 23. Buy signal rejection till penny at 0.5. So all levels are legit. This is greatest model ever. Maybe you will find on the internet, and it's totally for free, guys. ADZ direction. This is a not accumulation, like under middle line, but not a crazy accumulation. Now we're in a middle line, so it's a neutral daily time frame. We're not at the bottom of direction. 12 time frame. Yes, we formed the warrants. It's a good one. It's bullish. Here's was 83 of 40 cents. Here is 32, but we can drop form another low. Maybe the last one. I hope it's going to be the last one. Direction, no signal to buy yet. Nice one. And once again, guys, I highly recommend you go and check the first video after listening for this token, so you understand the logic why we are now, and it's not after the fact. Because everything I showed you before was even one daily candle close. This model works pretty good one since 2022 when I shared it first time. So market mode, it's still apheria. What does it mean? It means we can drop even lower because people too hype it with this token still. Trade on, I showed you money power. Trade on nothing. Trade on, by the way, here was a signal to buy, bounce, buy, small bounce, now nothing. Money power here, 1-2 days in a row, we got some money inflow. So like you can see, the whales accumulate step by step, but we can't know the size of that accumulation, and especially only on a bid get. That's why if we see some accumulation on a bid get with money inflow, we can't know the size of that accumulation. Maybe it's some local big guys, but the amount of that accumulation on the bid get not enough to push the price so high globally. So also keep in mind. So if you trade, for example, on the bid get and use the money power indicator, and you see the money inflow, you have to keep in mind it's only on the bid get on the daily time frame, and maybe that guy is enough money to accumulate now at 32. For example, and if the price dumped to 20, he will accumulate again. We can't know. Also, you have to keep in mind, even if we got like signals of accumulation, it doesn't mean that guys can't lose the money. They can lose the money. They can also make a wrong decision. But now we can see some big guys who get a big amount of money accumulate this token. Only on the beat get on the daily time frame. Here was accumulation, small bounce. Accumulation, and we dump it. And another accumulation. So in average, it could be like here, if this guy accumulated, or maybe it's a group of people, at 47, after that he accumulated 57 and at 43, the average can be like 51 and 71, maybe he fixed the profit, we can't know. That's why, unfortunately, guys, we can't track every single moves of big guys. Take profit, guys, indicator, no data on 12 time frame, 4 hour time frame. We landed on the fundamental value. Now we try hold the line at the buy line. I think we will drop lower to the range between the buy line and fundamental value. So it's around like 27.65 possible, 23.65 also possible. So just in case, so just so you know it. 1 hour time frame here, the buy line on 1 hour time frame, now it's 23.77. Take a look how the price respect the level and react to the level till penny. Sometimes it's playing out till penny, sometimes not. So it depends of liquidity. 23.65, more than real to see. If you're more bullish, of course, you can wait 47 cents and 0.8, take profit, exit line 53.12. So all levels, guys, legit. And it's only up to you what to do now. So this is not a signal channel. I just share my ideas. I mark you as a zone of interest for the tokens with this simple model with my indicator set. But what do you have to do with your own money? I totally don't care. And I don't know. So it's only up to you. Just a small tip. If you're not sure about some token, even if we trade in the zone of interest, guys, the best decision is just to skip it. Just skip it. No FOMO, no fear. The main goal is here, save initial deposit. After that, increase it. So that's the deal. Better step by step, build your deposit, build your initial deposit, than just randomly by luck buy every single dip. It's one direction to lose all deposits if you do buy every single dip. Just trust me. So all zones I showed you and how to recommend you go and check the first video. So the conclusion, guys, zones relevant and we can trade here. Even the year, maybe 1 year, maybe 2 years we can trade. Zones will be relevant. We got invalidation and the zone of fixation swing trades. When we invalidate the idea, these levels become the resistance for fixation bounces. And if we pass this block, new all-time high, this is just open space and we need to build another FIB. Simple. Until we trade in this FIB and the range, it's just one simple model with one simple range. Same story, Boundless. Daily time frame. Here, listing, rejection, try hold the line at first zone of interest, dump it, 1, 2, 1 touch, second time, 3, 4, 5. 5 touches, exactly 86 level by FIB, 18 cents. Bounces, now try hold the line with a body candle at 78 level by FIB. Signal to buy was here in October 16. Pretty simple model. Totally for free, you can use it. 12 hour time frame. Here is a buy, bounce, small bounce, buy, bounce, and hold the line. So this level is legit. Invalidation of idea, ZKC. It's not ZKSync, it's ZKC. Boundless, 6 cents. Possible. What to do? Up to you. Based on take profit indicator here, 12 hour time frame, no data, 4 hour time frame. We got still here like take profit by line 16.85. So it's more than real to see one more time 17 cents. Invalidation, it's a drop on the 6 cents. Fundamental value is 12.71. Take profit line 33.73. Exit line 38.08. I showed you all targets with all the price levels. But what to do, it's only up to you, up to your own risk. I'm always try to buy at the buy line. So for example, if the token trade at this level, so we just float in the air, I have to understand my risk. Is it okay personally for me to buy this token? Because now, one reason, we are in a good zone to buy. Nice one. But we have a chance drop 30% down. And I have to make a deal with myself, just personally with myself. Bro, are you ready to see the 30% down? If yes, I'm buying or open position with stop loss. If not, I just skip it. Finally, understand you don't have to buy every single coin at every single level. It's pretty simple. Don't waste your stable coins. Just a small tip, guys, once again. Just make a list of reasons. Buy or not, buy or skip. If you see the more reasons, buy, you can buy it. And keep in mind, you have to be ready and you have to feel comfortable if the token dump 30%. It's not affect your mental health. Absolutely. You don't worry about it. You don't care about it. So zones, guys, absolutely relevant. Highly recommend you go and check the first video about Boundless. Hemi, about Hemi, I also posted a video. There is no initiation accumulation pump model on a max. We use on a max, because it was listing in August. I guess Hemi on the BitGet, where that BitGet spot. Do we have a? Oh, we don't have a on a BitGet. Fun. Here's a Hemi on the Bitmart, I guess. Oh, on a Bitmart, we still got like initiation accumulation pump model. Nice one. So let's September. All right, so let's mark it. Here's a, not all tokens, guys, dump to the best zone to buy or to the first zone to buy. On the max, I showed we will come back and close all of these gaps here, because the gap was like 6 cents. It was so obvious, so we're gonna dump it here. Because imagine the token pump from even after listing from 3 cents, it's pumped to almost 20. Now we dump it lower, and I'm more than sure, but I can be absolutely wrong, guys. We're gonna test the 4 cents 51. Why? Because this is a minus 0.61 low by FIP of the initiation accumulation pump model. Pretty simple. Next zones for the dump. If the stock will dump, it's here 2 cents 35, 2 cents 12. This zone. Next one zone, it's 1 cent 79, 1 cent 65. Got it. Do I believe in that targets? First of all, I don't care about a Hemi. I don't have any interest to trade it, this token. But if you want to buy it, and if you're not sure now about the 6 cents price, better skip the token. So this is zone of interest. Let's hide this one and double check with indicators. Here was a sell, drop, sell, drop, sell. Drop was so obvious to sell. Of course, we not trade with like daily candles. We trade an open position on the 4-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame. But we can use the higher time frames like a confirmation of the trend. 12-hour time frame still, guys. What is bad? Still no signal take profit. We need to wait, better wait, of course. Signal take profit from the sell. 4-hour time frame, here. What I mean, signal to take profit from the sell. Sell on take profit, trade on indicator, take profit signal, buy. Bounce. Bounce like 43%, 35%. Recommendation close position, drop, buy back. Buy, but a small bounce, guys. It's just 4-hour time frame. The same story. We need to see some on the 12 time frame, on the daily time frame. 4-hour time frame, it's for intraday. A 4-hour time frame here was accumulation with divergence. We formed the biggest divergence. I wish to see one more drop here to the bottom, to the middle line, and bigger divergence with a drop to 4 cents. So this is what I wish to see if I could trade this token. 12 time frame, this is just middle line, so this is not accumulation, not distribution. Direction, we at the bottom without any accumulation. Daily time frame, this is accumulation, but on ADZ, but no signals to buy on direction. So I wish to see that drop to 4 cents, of course, if I could trade it. Money power, here's money in, money in, money in. So the whales, some whales accumulate on a Bitmart. But guys, on a Bitmart, you know, it's not a so popular exchange, but we use it because we got a here initiation accumulation pump model. Market mood, take a look. Compare the ZKC, right, and the Hemi. It's not random. So the indicators show you the total different data for total different tokens. This token listed on the Bitmart September 1st, this one, and this is still A3. ZKC market mood daily, it's also A3, but on 12 time frame. Here it's listed September 15, and on 12 time frame we landed to the capitulation zone. Hemi still in A3 zone. 12 time frame. Yes, October 15 we landed in the capitulation zone. This one. But we trade longer in a A3 zone. It was so obvious to out. Money outflow. Money outflow was at the top. September 25, 24. September was money outflow, where the whales fixed their profit. And the influencer, like usually, screaming, we going to the moon to the $1. The $1 always like a magic number. Money power, here's the money in. So step by step they accumulate. Take a look, the take profit. That's the last indicator. Daily, no data, 12 time frame here. Buy line, now it's 5 cents, 0.9. It's a buy line on 12 time frame. Fundamental value of this token is 3 cents 8. So I think we will drop to the buy line, or at least to the range between the buy line and the fundamental value. Take profit line, it's 10 cents. So also, guys, possible scenario if we go to the take profit line and after that drop. Better, of course, for all of us if we dump now and recover back in November, because if we will see something like this one in October, dump in November, so we just wasted the time by timing, you know, this block. That's why, of course, I wish to see the dump now, recover move and go higher. 4 hour time frames, guys, also it's so obvious, so we most likely will drop to the test of the buy line. It's 5 cents 11. For the male value, it's 3 cents 82. Guys, all targets I showed you. And around here when I posted the video about Hemi, I warned you about the drop to the fulfill of a daily gap, because we pump it so hard. Guys, it's more than okay. I don't know why the people always talk about it to the moon. It's more than okay to fix a profit after 600% gains. It's more than a healthy correction. With a Trump or without a Trump. So guys, all targets I showed you, highly recommended for all of these 4 tokens. Go and check the first videos to understand the logic. You know, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what you think about all of them. If you'd like to trade with my customer, what I showed you in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time.